What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm playing a new game I just got recently. The game is called Teardown. And basically, I think by guessing by the name you can guess what I am to do. Yeah. Destructs. So I recently just got a few new mods for this game actually. And basically, I'm going to be playing a modded map today. It's not part of the actual game. If you want to see me play the actual game, just go ahead and comment down below. Okay. What shall I play? I know, this map. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's coming. Good thing I have the seats in here. So I'm just gonna do something like that. What the? What's this? What was that? Where am I? Soda? Okay, so I'm trapped in the ceiling. I don't know what's happening. Someone help me. It's gotta be something. Okay. It's in here somewhere. Ah, here it is. There. Light. Let's get this roll out of the way. It's here somewhere. Just gravity guns. What's going on? Huh? No, please stop the deck. I hate it whenever this deck. Wait, I have Minecraft one. Place, please. Can't get through now. What are you gonna do? Please. Hello. I have Kamehameha and I'm not afraid to use it. Are they dead? It doesn't look like they're dead. What's happening? Why is my gun not moving? Ooh, an airstrike. Maybe this will work. What the? Bang. Bang. Yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah. Okay, it beat me so. And if you're wondering why I'm going slow, it's because I accidentally installed the super hot mod. Okay, it's time to escape. Yeah. Yeah, it makes everything go very slow. It's very annoying. But I can escape. I know I can. Alright, so this is my new home. This is getting very annoying. So I'm gonna go change that first. Here it is. Let's see, what map should we play on now? Ooh, I know. If I can find it. That's not it. No. No. Ooh, here's one. This one's pretty fun. I'm gonna play 3 maps, I think, and that will wrap up the video. So we got one more map after this one. You see, it's a plane. I think you know where I'm going from this. So, while it's loading, plane. Alright, it worked. I have my hammer, which is apparently a diamond sword. I think it might be stuck. Don't worry, I got a certain thing for this. That's me how, but I made it back into the plane. It's pretty much completely destroyed. Yeah, I just moved to the way. Fire! Uh-oh. Not good. What's happening? Huh? So that's very close. Uh-oh, deadly wires. Spider-Man. Say, it's very loud. I know. Because this game with a million pieces, of course, is going to be laggy whenever everything starts getting destroyed. I don't know what this does actually. I haven't tested it. Oh, it's just a punchy thing. What's going on? Help me! I can't see anything. I think I'm falling. I'm definitely falling. Okay, so I wasn't falling. Uh-oh. Is it a gaster blaster? I don't know how to use this thing. I guess it's still a work in progress. Hey, no, stop. I'm going down. I'm Iron Man now. That's enough of that. Okay. Ooh, here we go. So, lag is very common in a game with a billion different pixels. Vandalism. C4. When did I get that? Oh well, it's. I didn't think it was going to explode immediately. What is that? What's this? What's this? Oh, it's just a rocket launcher. Rocket booster? What's that do? Can it work? I don't know how this thing works. Hold on. Can I put it here? Can I put it here? Okay, never mind. Soda. What is that? Q summon? Huh. What's that? No, I'm falling! What is that? It's immune? How does it do anything? I'm a bit confused on what this thing is. Is it gonna destroy anything? Or is it just like... I'm gonna try to ride it. No, I missed it. So it kind of knocked me out of the sky. Come here. No. No, it falls through it. Oh. So I have no idea what that thing is. Let's see. I have it in here somewhere. Here it is. Oh no. You know, whenever this lag, I did something. Everything's frozen. Okay, then it's back to normal. That was not frozen again. Please work. I don't want to crash again. this. Look. It crashed the game. Well, never shall snap. You learned your lesson today. Bye.